Welcome to Gyan Setu, the Knowledge Bridge. Class 7, Chapter 2, Exercise 2.1 from NCERT. Hello everyone. Today we will do Class 7, Exercise 2.1. First is solve. One part is 2 minus 3 by 5. So for this we have to take the LCM of the denominator. First we have to same the denominator. Then the LCM will be 5. Then 1 into 5 and 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 by 5. You can now convert it into mixed fraction. It will be 1 2 by 5. So you can see B number 4 plus 7 by 8. So 1 and 8, what is the LCM? 8. Then we have to make 1 as 8. So 1 into 8 and 4 into 8. 4 into 8, 32. Plus 7, 39. So here we can see the numerator is greater. So we have to convert in mixed fraction 4, 7 by 8. Now just like this we can do all the sums. You can see the seventh part is both are in mixed fraction. So for subtraction first we have to convert in improper fraction. It will be 17 by 2. It will be 29 by 8. Here we can see the denominator are not same. So we have to equal them. So what is the LCM of 2 and 8? It will be 8. 17 4s are, because 2 4s are 8. Then 17 4s are 68. 68 minus 29. It will be 39. So we can change in mixed fraction. The answer will be 4 7 by 8. Question number 2. We have to arrange the numbers in descending order. So for descending or ascending or for comparison, we have to first same the denominator. Okay, it is denominator is 9, 3 and 21. First we have to take the LCM. So LCM of 9, 3 and 21 is 63. So 9 sevens are, then 2 sevens are 14. 3 21s are, then 2 21s are 42. Then 21 3s are 63, 8 3s are 24. Now we can arrange in descending order. So for this we have to first take the greater one. It will be 42 by 63, then 24, then 14. Now we can arrange. So the answer will be 2 by 3, because 2 by 3 is greater than 8 by 21, greater than 9 2 by 9. Okay. Now next to B part we can do like this. See the third number. Here is it is a magic square. We have to check whether rows, column and diagonal are same or not. So for a magic square, the row, column and diagonals will be equal. So starting from row, okay, starting from row. In first row we can see 4 by 11 plus 9 by 11 plus 2 by 11. Here the denominator are same. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. Then second row 3 plus 5 plus 7. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. Here third row 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 6 15. The rows are equal. So now we'll check column. So first column 4 by 11, 3 by 11 and 8 by 11. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 8 15. 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 1 15. 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 6 15. Here the column are also same. Okay, we will check the diagonal. First diagonal will be 4 plus 5 plus 6. 4 plus 5, it will be 9, 9 plus 6 15. Then 2 plus 5 and 5 plus 8, it is also 15. So here we can see column, rows and diagonals all are same or equal to 15 by 11, since the figure, the square is a magic square. Okay, see 4 number. Here is a rectangular sheet which length is 12 1 by 2 and breadth is 10 2 by 3. We have to find the perimeter. So what is the perimeter of a rectangle? It is 2 into length plus breadth. First we have to change in improper fraction. Then the length is 25 by 2 and breadth is 32 by 3. So we have to put in the formula. Length is 25 by 2 and 32 by 3. First we will solve the bracket. It will be 2, 3. What is the LCM? 6. Then 2 3s are 25 3s are 75. 3 2 ja, then 32 2 ja 64. Then we will add 4 plus 5 9 and 7 plus 6 13. 139 by 6. Here it is multiplication. So we can divide 2 ones and 2 threes. So it will be 139 by 3. And 139 by 3 can be changed in mixed fraction. Then the answer will be 46 1 by 3 centimeter. See the fifth question. We have to find the perimeter of triangle and a rectangle. Okay, in the figure. So first we will see the figure. Here is a rectangle and here is a triangle. First we have to find the perimeter of triangle ABE. For this, what is the formula? Sum of 3 side or sum of all side. So 5 by 2 plus 2 3 by 4 plus 3 3 by 5. So what is the LCM of 2, 5 and 4? 20. Then we have to make 20 as the denominator. Then it will be 50 plus 72 plus 55. 177. So the answer will be 817 by 20. Next, we have to find the perimeter of rectangle, and we know that the formula is 2 into length plus breadth. Then length will be 2 3 by 4. Okay, 8 9 10 11. 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. So 4 and 6, what is the LCM? 12. Then it will be 33 and 14. 33 plus 14, 47 by 12. We can cut now 2 ones and 2 6 are 12. Then 47 by 6. Here when we convert in mixed fraction, it will be 7 5 by 6. Okay. So from this we can see the perimeter of triangle is greater than the perimeter of rectangle. You can also compare by first making the denominator same. Now question number 6. Shalil wants to put a picture in a frame. Okay, the picture's dimension is given and the frame diameter is also given. How much should the picture trimmed? So suppose that the size of the picture is this, okay, and frame is this. So for this we have to subtract 7 3/5 minus 7 3/10. okay, किसी भी चीज को एडजस्ट करने के लिए we have to cut. okay, so for this we have to take the LCM of 5 and 10. What will be the LCM of 5 and 10? 10. 76 minus 73. Then the result will be 3/10. तो हम पिक्चर को कितना कट करेंगे? 3/10. Next, question number 7. There are two persons, Ritu and Somu. They have an apple. Ritu ate 3/5 part. Okay. So how much Somu ate? And whose share is larger? So we can take the whole part is 1. So Somu ate 1 minus 3/5. Then the answer will be 2/5. Then Somu ate the 2/5 part of an apple. For finding whose share is greater, we have to subtract 3/5 minus 2/5. So 3 minus 2, 1/5. So Ritu's ate the larger share. Okay. By how much? 1/5. Next, question number 8. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7/12 hours and Weber finished the same work in 3/4 hours. So whose work longer? So Michael is 7/12 and Weber 3/4. So we have studied, for comparison we have to same the denominator. Then what will be the denominator? LCM of 4 and 7. It will be 4 and 12, 12. So it will be 7/12 and it will 4 3s are, then 3 3s are 9/12. So who take the longer time? Weber. So by how much? 9 minus 7, 2/12 hours. In next video we will do exercise 2.2. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Gyan Setu.